Hello there, you welcome back to my channel. This is girl Doxes. Today is about black soap, how to make some skin lightening ingredients with black soap. And as you can see, this was the consistency that I was looking for. I wanted it in a semi-solid form because I'm gonna be running water over it every single day. I mean twice a day. So I didn't want it to be watery. I wanted it in this form so that it can withstand water and then it can last long. Because if I make it watery, it's not gonna last long. So I tried as much as possible to use all my products to have all my ingredients in a powder form, and then some few oils to help me out to move my hands freely in the soap. Okay, so to know how I went about the process and then getting this texture, kindly watch this video to the end. Testing how effective the soap is. I wanted to know if the lather is still there or it has reduced due to the oils and the powders that I put inside the soap. But seeing this video, you can testify that the foaming is still there. It can still lather very well. It's very effective still. Yeah. So kindly watch this video to the end to know how I went about the process and everything. Okay. The first ingredient is my African black soap, and of course we all know the benefits of black soap to the skin. But if you are somebody who is dry skin like me, from my neck downwards I am dry, so using black soap for some times now, I realized that my skin was really drying out more. So I did a little research on it and I realized that it was from the black soap that I was using. So if you're dry skin, you need to use a good moisturizer when using black soap. Dry off, or a hydrating serum.
Now the next thing is sandalwood powder. Regular use of this antibacterial powder can fight acne causing bacteria. It can also exfoliate the skin, whereby it removes the skin cell from the skin to make way for new ones, and this reduces sign of aging like dryness and then wrinkles. The next ingredient is cinnamon powder. Here is it. And cinnamon powder, I got this from a local shop. Okay, cinnamon powder. And cinnamon powder has this skin lightening property which works by fading acne scars and blemishes, marks and dark spots. So if you are acne prone like me, then I think you can incorporate this cinnamon powder into your soap, whichever soap that you use. So that's it. And the next ingredient is my turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has this similar properties as the ones that I've already mentioned. And then the next ingredient is my orange peel powder. I made this myself, so I will try to put those videos together. I'll put the link under the description box of this video so that you can go check it out how I made this. I prepared this myself. And orange peel has an antibacterial and antimicrobial property which makes it great for treating acne and oily skin. And I'm oily skin on the face, so this is really going to help me on the face. But then another thing about orange peel powder too is that if you're using it, make sure that the lotion that you're using has SPF in it to protect your skin, because this will make your skin a bit more sensitive to the sun, and of course you don't want to harm your skin, so you need a lotion that contains SPF as well. Or you can skip this one, or you can separate the black soap and then add this to the one that you're going to be using in the evening, just to protect your skin. Okay. And the next ingredient I have on my list is carrot powder. I also prepared this myself, and as I said, I'll put the link in the description box. I will try to put the videos together and then put the link in the description box so that you can check this out, how I made it also. My next ingredient is coconut oil, and then vegetable glycerine, and then my castor oil.
So let me jump right into the process. Now I have my black soap in a bowl. So to help me move my hands in freely, I decided to mix my glycerine with my turmeric powder. I didn't want to just split the turmeric powder on the soap because I may not, I'm not gonna add any water to it. So I needed the oils to help me out to move my hands freely in the soap. So I mix 1 cup of 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerine, and then I mix with turmeric powder. I mix with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Because I want it in a semi-solid form and I'm not going to be adding any water to it, that's the reason why I decided to do it this way. But you can go ahead to mix the powder straight with the soap and then add your oils to it. Whichever way will be okay, but I decided to go this way. So I'm going to blend this together before I add it to my soap. Okay. So that was it, and now I'm gonna mix it with my soap so that I can move my hands in the soap freely. So I've added it to the soap, my turmeric and then the glycerine to the soap, and the soap is quite hard, so I still need some extra oils. So I decided to mix 1 tablespoon of my sandalwood powder and then my cinnamon powder to cook my coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I mix them together. Now the problem that I'm having here is that I have one hand holding my camera and the other doing other stuff, so it's not so easy for me doing this. So now I'm pouring it in. So I'm gonna mix it together now. Now to help me out a little bit, I'm gonna use my little pistol so that I can lose the bigger ones in it. Okay. So now the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding to it is my...
All right. So now I think I have to add my carrot powder and my orange peel powder. So I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of my carrot powder. Okay. I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of my carrot powder. Okay. And then my orange peel powder. One tablespoon as well. Oh, it's really smells. Okay.
Okay, so this was what I was looking for. And it came out just like that. Okay, so now let me add my castor oil to it. This is 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Okay. That was it. Now I'm gonna mix it together. I just have to turn it so that the oils doesn't split.
For the bathroom to smell so good, I'm going to add some essential oils to it. There's lavender essential oil, just a few drops, just a little bit of it. Okay. And lemon essential oil, firming skin, eliminate what? This lemon essential oil, just a few drops because I already have orange peel powder in it. So just to give it that kind of, just a few drops. Okay. already messed up this place. All right. Okay. Wanted it to come out like this, exactly this. Yeah, because you know I'm gonna be running water over it every day, so I think it smells good. All right, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, and share it for me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.